Hello everyone. This is Hugh Carr. Welcome to another cycle of Adventures in Living Lovecraft, where we pass beyond the wall of sleep and journey out into the haunted realms of the Ghoul Star to bring Lovecraft back to Earth and chant one of his enigmatic phrases. With the help of the Lovecraft Engine. To stir up our spell of summoning, we push the button and, hey presto, a brand new and original Lovecraft-like phrase is fashioned for us. Let's push the button together. Today's phrase is that barbarous, debased, fantastic cream. Thank you. Today's reading is made possible through the wonder that is the Lovecraft Engine and the Black Dog Chronicles on YouTube, where there is a selection of Lovecraft tales beautifully told. This week, we are featuring Lovecraft's story, Beyond the Wall of Sleep. Please, come along and have a listen. There's a link in the description below. I'll see you tomorrow. And always remember, look out for the shadow.